I'm going to shoot out a little bike repair video here. I have a broken chain link and I went to a discount store and bought a repair kit and the tool that comes with it to repair this. I went ahead and cleaned up the gearings. Was, of all things, some Clorox Plus. Okay, this is the bike chain repair kit that I got, and it also includes a chain tool to help replace this. Directions, alcohol prep pads, and the tool. Removing the old piece here. Alright. Huh. Look at that. There's a little rivet I need from this. As I'd say, right from here on the chain and give it about a little less than that because I want that piece to be right here so I can crimp it on. This will go under here and through here. Like so. Let that sit there. Get my chain, keep it straight. Up under the frame and through the little derailleur. Grab the chain, bring it forward. I put it on the lower gear. Lower gear. And about right there is where I want it. And I'm going to bring these two pieces together. So let's go with this one here that's got the little groove in it so we can snap over that piece to hold it on. I'm going to do this from the back side, cotter pin, I guess you could call it kind of a cotter pin. Okay. I have two of these. And it looks like this one matches up. Put that on there. Let's try the other one. Yeah, I think I like that better. I can just slip that cotter pin right on there. And I'll need some type of pliers. This is not the easy part, that's for sure. So close. I think that's it. And just to make sure everything spins proper, we're good to go. Okay, thank you. I hope that helps somebody.